AI is evolving at an insane pace, and one name that keeps popping up is Anthropic's AI. But what exactly it is, and how does it compare to OpenAI's ChatGPT or even Google's Gemini? More importantly, why you should care. In this video, I'll break down what makes Anthropic's AI different, how their Claude model works, and why this company is taking a unique approach to AI safety and ethics. By the end of this video, you'll know whether Anthropic AI is the future or just another competitor in the AI arms race. So let's get started. So, what is Anthropic's AI? It was an AI model founded in 2021, and their focus was to building an AI that's helpful, honest, and also harmless. Unlike the OpenAI, which is backed by Microsoft, Anthropic has big investors like Google and even Amazon. So they're a serious player. We have to remember that. And what's the main product of this Anthropic's AI? The Claude AI, a conversational AI model similar to ChatGPT. But what makes Claude different? Well, it's built on something called constitutional AI, which is meant to make AI safer and more aligned with human values. So let's see how does the Claude AI work. Most AI models like ChatGPT rely on human feedback to improve over time, but Anthropic is doing something different. So, how let's see how does the Claude work. Claude, aka Anthropic's AI, uses a combination of advanced training models that set it apart from the other AI systems. Like constitutional AI, Claude is trained to follow a set of principles that guide its behavior. LHF, reinforcement learning from human feedback, similar to other leading AI models but with a focus on harmlessness. Number 3, multimodal capabilities. The newest Claude the newest Claude model can analyze images alongside with texts, which is really nice, LC. Claude 3 models can process up to 200,000 tokens, approximately 150,000 words in a single conversation, which is actually huge, to be honest. This combination means Claude can handle complex requests while maintaining guardrails against harmful or misleading outputs. The Claude 3 family, these are the latest models of Claude. In 2024, Anthropic launched their Claude 3 family of models, each designed for different use cases. Claude 3 Opus, their most powerful model, excelling at complex reasoning and expert level tasks. Claude 3 Sonnet, the balanced option offering strong performance at a more accessible price point. Okay, not bad, not bad. Claude 3 High Key, the fastest and most effective option. This one's ideal for simpler tasks. And last but not least, Claude 3.5 Sonnet, the latest upgrade, pushing capabilities even further. So, to be honest, I'll say I'm impressed with the models. Like they have all of these specific models for specific use cases. Like if you want to use these AI for some simple tasks, you can just go with IQ. You want some expert level work tasks, go to Plot 3 Opus. Nice. Each model has different strengths, but they all share Anthropic's core focus on safety and reliability. So, what can you use this Claude for? Let me show you what Claude can actually do for you and businesses today. At first, document analysis, processing long documents, contracts, and research papers. Content creation, writing articles, marketing copy, and creative content. Data analysis, interpreting charts, extracting insights from tables and database. Even this Claude can assist you for coding also, helping developers to write, debug, and explain code. Let me demonstrate a few prompts that showcase Claude's capabilities. So I have copied a simple medium-sized article which says key trends in technology and business in 2024. I'll just tell this to summarize. Let's see how does this summarize the full article in only five. As you can see, key trends. It has analyzed the full article and gave me a summarized version of this in just five key points. So let's use the second prompt. Yeah, my next prompt will be generate a high converting ad copy for video editing service targeting YouTubers. Let's see. As you can see, it had wrote a small ad copy, which is not that bad actually, but it's not that even high converting. I mean, it does the work, but it's not something great. Okay, let's see the next one. I have this simple code written by ChatGPT, and it has a small mistake in this. So let's see whether Claude can detect or is it can't detect the problem. As you can see, there's a typo in your code. When you call the function and then you wrote report data instead of report data. Yes, it has, and it also has provided the correct code. Good. Now let's see another one, another example of creative, how creative it can be. Unlocking. It also has written a title for the LinkedIn post. Us. Yeah, it's not that big of a deal, but it does the work. I'll say that right now. I'll explain how companies are using Claude AI. And by the way, Claude is just not is it's not just for individual users. It's becoming deeply integrated into business ecosystem. Like Amazon Bedrock, Claude is available through AWS, making it accessible to businesses worldwide. Claude is just not for individual users. It's becoming deeply integrated into business ecosystem like Amazon Bedrock. Claude is available through AWS, making it accessible to businesses worldwide. Isn't the Kurapo Claude powers conversations on this popular platform. Even it has the API access. Developers can build custom applications using Claude's capabilities. This wide availability means Claude is becoming a serious competitor in the AI business space. So, the future of Anthropy. So, where is Anthropic headed and how does it fit into a broader AI landscape? At first, safety first approach. While others race for capabilities, Anthropic prioritizes reasonable Anthropic prioritizes responsible AI. Also, it has focused on business strategy. Anthropic is building enterprise relationships without spreading too thin. And last but not least, it is continuously publishing important work on AI alignment and safety. The AI industry is at a crossroads between capability and responsibility, and Anthropic is betting the future belong to safe, reliable AI. Anthropic is not just building another AI assistant, it's designing a different approach to AI development itself. Do you think their safety first methodology will win out in the long run? Drop your thoughts in the comments if you want to try Claude for yourself. I have included the link in the description. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit like, subscribe, and